it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and today we're going to talk about alternate picking. Alternate picking is a way of picking the strings on the guitar where we simply change directions with our picking or strumming hand. When we alternate pick, we alternate between moving down and up across the strings. The first step to alternate picking well is to hold our pick correctly. To hold my pick for alternate picking, I'm going to make a thumbs up with my picking hand and then lay my pick flat across my folded pointer finger and put my thumb down over the pick. Then I'll turn the pointy end of the pick toward my body so that when I strum my strings, my pick stays nice and flat and does not move, and it also lessens the chance that I will drop my guitar pick while I'm playing. When I alternate pick, I want to make sure that my pick is meeting the string perfectly flat. And when I pick through, I'm going to use the next string to stop the motion of my pick. Now I know how to hold my pick and I know how to pick through the strings. I'm gonna start on my open D string and just simply begin by picking down and up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Practice this on all of your open strings until your hand feels relaxed doing it. Once you've gotten used to alternate picking, let's try a little bit of a rhythm change. We're going to do 4 down strokes as quarter notes, down, 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 and then 4 eighth notes as down up, alternate pick strokes. So that exercise sounds like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Or if I'm counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now that you're alternating between quarter notes and eighth notes, let's try alternate picking across the strings. So in reality, when you're alternate picking in a song, you are gonna have to move across the strings, which means sometimes you might have to move down a string while you're picking up. So to do that, I just alternate pick while I'm changing the strings. I like to do this on a chord, it just sounds a little nicer. I'll make a G chord. Starting on the 6th string, I pick down, and then the 5th string, I pick up. 4th string down, 3rd string up, 2nd string down, 1st string up. Here it is close up. Down, up, down. Once you're comfortable doing that, try going the other way. Now that you've learned how to alternate pick, you can apply it to licks or melodies. It also comes in handy for strumming patterns. And now that you've learned to alternate pick, be sure to check out my lesson on the G run so that you can have some fun with the G run. Have fun practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.